roofs gleam. A humble guitar gave life to a dream. Bass rolled deep like thunder in the earth. A people's cry became a song of worth. Through dusty streets and moonlit dance all night, the sound of freedom rose to claim its rights. Old vinyl spinning with a crackling flame. Every groove carried Jah's holy name. From trench to mountain, valley to sea, the roots grow strong in dignity. No chain can bind the truth we sing. Reggae forever shall reign as king. Reggae, the heartbeat of the people, a river of hope that never runs dry. Songs of love, songs of freedom, lift every spirit to the sky. One love, one heart, one nation, stand together, hand in hand. The voice of Jah keeps calling, peace shall cover every land. Sound system rolled through every town, stacking speakers as the sun went down. Selectors search for the rarest tune, while dancing feet move beneath the moon. The pioneers planted every seed, giving strength to every soul in need. Their melodies cross the ocean wide, carrying truth with unstoppable pride. Red for the blood that watered the way, gold for the light of a brighter day, green for the land where hope takes root. Just living word bears timeless fruit. No matter where the children roam, the reggae rhythm brings them home. Reggae, the heartbeat of the people, a fire that darkness cannot erase. Songs of truth and liberation, shining with everlasting grace. From Kingston streets to every nation, the message echoes loud and clear. Roots forever, love forever, the voice of reggae lives each year. Spin the vinyl one more time, let the bass line speak divine. Generation after generation sing, reggae is the crown the people bring. Jah guide the journey, Jah keep the flame. Forever and ever, reggae shall remain. I gave life to a dream. Bass roll deep like thunder in the earth. A people's cry became a song of worth. Through dusty streets and moonlit dance all nights, the sound of freedom rose to claim its rights. Old vinyl spinning with a crackling flame, every groove carried Jah's holy name. From trench to mountain, valley to sea, the roots grow strong in dignity. No chain can bind the truth we sing. Reggae forever shall reign as king. Reggae, the heartbeat of the people, a river of hope that the sun went down, selectors searched for the rarest tune. While dancing feet moved beneath the moon, the pioneers planted every seed, giving strength to every soul in need. Their melodies crossed the ocean wide, carrying truth with unstoppable pride. Red for the blood that watered the way, gold for the light of a brighter day, green for the land where hope takes root. Just living word bears timeless fruit. No matter where the children roam, the reggae rhythm brings them home. Reggae, the heartbeat of the people, a fire that darkness cannot erase. Songs of truth and liberation, shining with everlasting grace. From Kingston streets to every nation, the message